Hello everybody, have you ever heard about the Mitolyn? If you haven't, it's more than time that you know about this supplement because it has been changing the lives of thousands of people. It may help you too. All you gotta do is listen to what I have to tell you guys. I'm gonna answer all of the questions you may have about this supplement, so by the end of the video you can be able to decide if it is really for you or not. I also have an important alert to share that you must know before I actually purchase it, okay? So stick until the end of this video. But I was advanced and already left the link for the official website below in the description of my video. So after watching this video until the end, if you still want to know more information about it or really decide to purchase it, the link will be left just below. But first, listen to what I have to tell you, okay? Well, folks, Mitolyn is a dietary supplement that is new. It has a new technology for helping people to lose weight. And it is so effective, guys, because the scientists really discovered the root cause for the weight gaining and how to treat it. So I'm pretty sure you have already heard about the mitochondria. They are like tiny parts found inside of our organism, inside of every cell, actually. And the mitochondria, they are responsible for, they make energy actually from the food we eat. So burning fat that are stored in our body. They use this fat that is stored to make energy. And a lot of people that are not healthy, that they are not losing weight, that they are gaining weight, it's because they have a low production of this mitochondria. And the Mitolyn is here to boost the production of it, so your body can function better, can have more mitochondria to do this job for you of turning the fat into energy. And then finally, you will be losing weight. A lot of people try different methods to lose weight, but they are not working because of that, they're not working on the root cause of the problem. And the best thing about the Mitolyn is that it has only natural compounds inside of the formula, so you don't need to worry about side effects or contradictions. Just remember to take it every single day to see these results, of course. The minimum treatment with Mitolyn is of 3 months, but I recommend the complete treatment of 6 months, so you can see the lasting and effective results you are looking for. Besides all of these benefits, guys, the producer even offers you a 90-day money-back guarantee. So you have 3 months to test it, and if you don't see results, they return all of your money back. I have just one alert to share with you about the Mitolyn, which is where you're going to buy it, because it is only sold on the official website. It's not possible to purchase it in drugstores or other websites, so be very careful with this information. That's why I left the link just below in the description of my video. This is the only place you can buy the original Mitolyn from, nowhere else, so keep that information in mind. And if you want to know more information, guys, if you want to see people's testimonials, the story behind it, you can check everything on the official website and also buy the original product, so go there and check it out.